So hello and welcome to today's class. In today's class, we are going to discuss in text question number 1 of carbon and its compound chapter. So the question says, what would be the electron dot structure of carbon dioxide which has the formula CO2, right? So see the solution. So the formula given to you is CO2. It contains carbon and oxygen. So carbon atomic number is 6. Now if you see the configuration in terms of shell, so it is 2 and 4. For oxygen, atomic number is 8 and configuration is 2, 6, right? Now as you can see that carbon has 4 electrons in the valence shell and require 4 more electrons to complete its octet, and oxygen has 6 electrons in the valence shell and require 2 electrons to complete its octet, right? So when we are drawing the dot structure, we should keep in mind that we have to put carbon in the center, which is surrounded by oxygen from both the side, so that carbon will get 2 electrons from one side and 2 electrons from other side of the oxygen, whereas oxygen will get 2 electrons of carbon, followed by oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6 valence electrons. Then another oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So after sharing, it will be C 1, 2, 3, 4, and similarly for oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and other oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So carbon will share 2 electron of this oxygen and 2 electron of this oxygen, and in this way it will be able to complete its octet. So for carbon it will be like this. For this oxygen it will share 2 electrons from this side, and for this oxygen it will share 2 electrons of carbon from this side, right? So if you draw the bond structure, it will be C double bond O, since 2 electron pairs are shared here, and similarly C double bond O this side also, right? So this is all about the dot structure and the bond structure of carbon dioxide. I hope you have understood the explanation part of this question. Still, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you very much. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon to get the latest updates on upcoming videos.